This video has Monster Hunter Wilds spoilers. Once more, this video has spoilers for Monster Hunter Wilds. If you haven't gotten through all of low rank, know what Guardian monsters are, or know what Zoh Shia is, might want to wait on this for a little bit. This is your last chance if you don't want spoilers for Monster Hunter Wilds. Okay, now that that's established, how the did I call the equal dragon weapon correctly? Because I somehow did. You can go look at the videos I did before Wilds came out where I was making predictions. I half jokingly, half seriously called the equal dragon weapon, and Zoh Shia is pretty much the equal dragon weapon. How did I get this right? How? I'm still reeling from Guardian monsters, and I figured out about that a while ago. Like, what the heck? Artificial human or Wyverian created monsters, ancient civilization lore, and again, the equal dragon weapon! How? I am still blown away by this. And I'm to the next Jindahad fight. What the heck, Capcom? That opens up so many different speculations and possibilities and implications. Wyveria made artificial monsters. I keep having to repeat this because it is insane. The second I found out about this, I was like, when I was playing Wilds, the second I learned Guardian monsters were a thing, I immediately knew somehow equal dragon weapon was actually gonna happen, and it did. Surprisingly soon after I came to that realization, but the fact that we actually got the equal dragon weapon. I'm just saying the same things over and over again because I am still blown away. Like, Zoh Shia is absolutely incredible, and we better get a repeatable Zoh Shia fight as like a title update here eventually, because I want Zoh Shia weapons and armor, and even than that, I want to hunt Zoh Shia again because that was incredible. Not only is Zoh Shia the equal dragon weapon reimagined into modern Monster Hunter, but it is also an artificial black dragon. Like, I don't even know where to be. Like, I'm still struggling to figure out where to begin to talk about this because it is so insane. Especially considering that, again, I somehow called the equal dragon weapon. Like, since I first started seeing Wilds trailers, a tiny part of my brain was like, maybe equal dragon weapon, probably not, but maybe, and it happened. The fact that we have artificial monsters in the form of Guardians is incredible. I haven't actually finished Wilds yet. I'm at the point where you fight Jindahad in high rank for the first time. So I don't know yet if my other predictions were right and Kurapeko and Legiacris and the incredible long shot of Nibblesnarf are in Wilds yet or not. But if they're not, either as base monsters or Guardian, I am calling it now. At the very least, we are getting regular Legiacris as a title update, and we are getting Guardian Kurapeko or Guardian Crimson Kurapeko as another title update or as part of a title update. Because a Guardian Kurapeko makes perfect sense for how Guardian monsters are, because it's a living alarm system for Wyveria. It is even more perfect than just having regular Kurapeko in the Scarlet Forest. So I am calling it Guardian Kurapeko. Let's see if the dodgeball of prophecy still rests with me. But because Guardian monsters allow literally any monster from the entirety of Monster Hunter to come back in Wilds, I want to know what you guys think is going to come back as a Guardian in a title update. And for that matter, what regular monsters do you think we're going to get along with Mizitsune? You think we're going to get the rest of the Fated Four? Be really fun to finally test my mettle against Astalos and Gammoth. But yeah, I am absolutely sure we're getting a Guardian Kurapeko or Crimson Kurapeko, Legiacris, and then a repeatable Zoh Shia as the final title update. But until then, and until we get actual Zoh Shia gear, I kind of wanted to imagine a Zoh Shia Switch-Axe, because Switch-Axe is one of the two weapons I've been maining in Wilds. The other is bow, because Wild's bow is magnificent. I've never liked bow, but now I love bow in Wilds. Also, the fact that, you know, it's not on screen, but you have actual canon talked about death via monster attack is crazy, because I never thought Monster Hunter would actually show that side of the world up front like this. I was not prepared for the optional questline where a keeper is just straight up killed by Zhu Wu. Like, straight up. That shocked me massively. Also, all the stuff from the Endemic Life notebook talking about how some animals and fish and stuff that have been around for the entire series might have actually been artificially produced. Maybe not artificial in the sense of guardian monsters, but like dog breed artificially created by ancient civilizations is insane. The implications of everything Wilds has shown us is insane. And I just really need to get my excitement over all of this off my chest. Here is my take of a Zoh Shia Switch-Axe I have dubbed Shia Reaver.